Hi everyone! Let me update about the coming creations. To make a lifelike robot, there are many processes. Firstly, to sculpturing the character, then the mechanical parts for facial control and body joints are developed. Through 3D printing, molding and casting procedures, the assembly of mechanical parts, and hair flocking and cosmetics make up his lifelike robot. And last part is to write AI program. The whole production is completed. Ricky Ma, creator of the Mark I robot, will start working on his next lifelike robot in mid-July. Now you can join to vote your favorite. Which one will you choose as the new face from the list of new faces? Write down the number of your choice in the comments below. If you want to know the latest trends of the works, please click to subscribe, give a like and turn on the notification bell all videos, so that you will receive the latest videos and information. Act and vote now.